have troubles making real English conversations? You want to improve your spoken English quickly? You are too busy to join in any English speaking course. Don't worry, let us help you. First of all, you need to learn the most frequently used words in English, common structures and sentence patterns, common expressions, common phrasal verbs, and idioms that are much used in daily life. Next, you should learn daily conversations in English for speaking. Focus on every ESL conversation topic until you can speak English automatically on that topic before moving to the next one. ESL conversation question and answer, and our first topic is family. How many people are there in your family? There are 5 people in my family. My father, mother, brother, sister, and me. Does your family live in a house or an apartment? We live in a house in the countryside. What does your father do? My father is a doctor. He works at the local hospital. How old is your mother? She is 40 years old, 1 year younger than my father. Do you have any sibling? What is his and her name? Yes, I do. I have one elder brother, David, and one younger sister, Mary. Are you the oldest amongst your brothers and sisters? No, I am not. I am the second child in my family. What does your mother and father like? My father likes playing football and my mother likes cooking. Do your parents let you stay out late? Of course not. They always ask me to get home before 10 p.m. each night. Do you stay with your parents? Right now, no, but I used to. Does your family usually have dinner together? Yes, we do. My mom always prepares delicious meals for us. Listening is the key to better English speaking. The more real English conversations you listen to, the more fluent you will become, to be sure. Remember, deep learning is the #1 secret to English fluency. If you want to speak English automatically, you have to repeat the same lesson over and over again until you master it. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe for more updates.